squared plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation, and I'm going to teach you how to solve this quadratic equation using completing the square method. So in doing that, the first thing we do is to connect like terms. This constant, which is plus 6, will cross over the equality sign to this side and we'll have minus 6. So what I'll do next is to bring down my x squared plus 5x then is equal to minus 6. The next thing we're going to do in solving this question using completing the square method is to get half of plus 5. Okay, we'll square it, then we add that to both sides of the equation. So the half of plus 5 is 5 over 2. Then we square all of that and add it to this side of the equation and this side of the equation. Alright? So I'll bring down my x squared plus 5x plus 5 over 2 all squared, and that's equal to minus 6 plus 5 over 2 all squared. Okay, so bring down our x squared plus 5x plus 5 over 2 all squared, and that's equal to, so we're going to simplify this fraction, alright? So I'll bring down a minus 6 plus 5 over 2 all squared will give us 25 over 4, because 5 times 5 is 25, 2 times 2 is 4, alright? So this same thing as over 1. So we'll get the LCM of 1 and 4, which is 4. 1 goes into 4 times. 4 times minus 6, we'll have minus 24. Then we'll bring down our addition sign. 4 goes into itself once. That 1 we got times 25, we'll have 25. So let's consider the left-hand side of this equation. So we have x squared plus 5x plus 5 over 2 all squared. Alright, so according to the laws of difference of two squares, or the sum of two squares, I can just pick one x here and pick 5 over 2 and put that in brackets. So x plus 5 over 2 all squared is the same as x squared plus 5x plus 5 over 2 all squared. And that's equal to minus 24 plus 25 is positive 1 all over 4. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is to transfer this square to this side of the equation so I can simplify this. So in doing that, when this square is being transferred to this other side, the square changes to square root. Alright? So I'm going to have x plus 5 over 2. Okay? And that's equal to, when this square is being brought to this side, we have plus or minus the square root of 1 over 4. Alright? So we have x plus 5 over 2 is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 over 4. So in this case, we're going to collect like terms. Alright? We'll open up this bracket. So we'll have x is equal to plus 5 over 2 cross to this side becomes minus 5 over 2. So we can have x is equal to minus 5 over 2. Alright? Plus or minus the square root of 1 over 4. So our value of x, okay, is equal to minus 5 over 2 plus or minus the square root of 1 over 4 is 1 over 2. Alright, square root of 1 is 1, and the square root of 4 is 2. So since we have the same denominator, we can then say the value of x is equal to minus 5 plus 1 over 2. We can pick one of the denominators since they are the same. So we have minus 5 plus 1 over 2, or the value of x will be equal to minus 5 minus 1 over 2. So we have minus 5 minus 1 over 2. So the value of x is equal to minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4. That will be minus 4 over 2. And minus 5 minus 1 is minus 6. Alright? So we have minus 6 all over 2. So 2 goes into itself once, 2 goes into 4 two times. So we'll have minus 2. So we can now say our x is equal to minus 2, or 2 goes into here 1, then 2 goes into 6 is 3 times. So we'll have minus 3. So our x is equal to minus 3. So the values of x is therefore minus 2 or minus 3. Do well to subscribe to my channel if you find this helpful by following me on TikTok at Joe King Maths Class, and subscribe to my YouTube channel at Joe King Maths Class, and follow me also on Facebook at Joe King, and also on Instagram at official_Joe King. Thank you so much for watching, but please make sure you like this video and drop your comments at the comment section, and feel free to ask your questions. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.